Blue Tractor and SIRENHEAD in the swamp. In the last episode, Blue Tractor and Mars with friends drove the SIRENHEAD out of the magical forest, but the monster did not go far. It stopped in a swamp, and with its sounds, continues to terrify forest animals and scare away birds living nearby. The friends decided to finally drive the SIRENHEAD out of the forest and hit the road.
Синий трактор выезжает, про машинки напевает, они мигалками сверкают, все им в пробке уступают. Их на вызов отправляют, от беды людей спасают, от бандитов защищают, в серой форме щеголяют. За рулем сидит волчонок и товарищ поросенок, могут даже и виновных, если нужно, наказать. Какая это машина? Виу-виу, виу-виу-виу, виу-виу, виу-виу-виу, полицейская машина.
We've never driven this far from home. When we get lost, Tractor? Fear not, Mars. I know the way. Put on the brake, Tractor. There is a swamp ahead. Can you pass? Of course, Mars. I work in the fields, where there are no roads at all, and I drive all day through deep mud. Then let's go. At first, the tractor confidently drove forward. But when it climbed deeper into the swamp, something suddenly went wrong. The tractor coughed, sneezed, and could not go further. What happened, Tractor? I never drove in such deep puddles. I have nothing to breathe at such a depth. I can't go further. What should I do? Exactly, invented. We need to drive into the magic garage, to the Master Bear Bob. He will tell us how we can get through. And here is the magical garage. The friends stopped by, greeted Bear Bob, and told him everything that happened today. How they decided to help the little animals and go to the swamp to drive away the SIRENHEAD. How they hoped that they would pass through a deep bog and almost drowned. Bear Bob, we know that you have enough experience to make sure that the tractor can drive through even the deepest puddles and ravines. True? Really, guys, I know how to help you. Let's see what we can do in the magic control panel. First, you need to raise the tractor on a lift. So, here it is. We choose. To prevent the tractor from choking in a deep puddle, it needs to install a snorkel. This is a special pipe through which the tractor engine will breathe underwater. So here it is. Choose Install. You see, before, the tractor could not breathe underwater, but now it may have a snorkel pipe even higher than the cab. Now, let's remove the usual wheels and shock absorbers. So, choosing. They are good to ride in the field, and not in the swamp. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready. And put on new swamp wheels. Choosing. They are larger, wider and softer than usual. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? Now you definitely won't get stuck in a swamp. Great! Thank you! And the guys with renewed energy went to the swamp. Now we are going to check if the improvements that Bear Bob put in will help. Go ahead. The tractor drove much more confidently through the swamp on new wheels. Even underwater, the guys felt great. The tractor was breathing calmly through the snorkel. Great! With such improvements, we will be able to drive after the SIRENHEAD on any off-road. As soon as the tractor drove out of the bog, the guys saw the SIRENHEAD. The tractor began to honk fearfully and came up from behind to scare the SIRENHEAD. SIRENHEAD remembered how the last time he was driven away by the tractor with his friends and decided not to tempt fate and fled far from the swamp and the magical forest.